All right, everybody, we are here at the Lakes of Paducah. Gonna go live for a little bit here so you guys can take a look at what all we have happening. We brought out 4 here to show off, to add to the collection that is here. And boy, are there some nice cars out. So we'll just take a moment and just kind of enjoy what we got going on.
It's a bright one, ain't it? It's pretty.
Chip brought out his Imperial 1957. That yellow truck we just did that YouTube test drive video on. 37 model. Brought her out. Get her some sunshine. Brought out that beautiful 67 convertible. Remember, all these can be found on Chip Wynn Classics as well. Then we brought out that beautiful sedan. '34 Chevy. That beautiful hood ornament. We are out here, guys, at the Lakes of Paducah. Mr. Chip Wynn himself is out here showing off and showing out with his pretty rides. They are doing this for a good cause. Is going to be benefiting Alzheimer's. They got raffles and popcorn. Beautiful little setup out here at Lakes of Paducah. Take a walk here and see what all everybody brought.
Don't let her jump. No, I limped all the way out. Nice, Mom.
Guys, if you don't have anything going on, come on out here at the Lakes of Paducah and support Alzheimer research. Bring out a pretty car if you want. Benefits, like I said, such a great cause, and this brings so much joy to these residents here as well. Check out that GTO.
He said, you didn't have the right. See, that camera's priceless at that point.
All right, guys. Once again, we are here at the Lakes of Paducah. The car show. We got a few out. Some pretty ones out. Brought by others. So come on out and have a good time, guys.